Hi viewers, welcome to mycpatraining.com. Vaishipon here. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can tag yourself on a Facebook photo, and it's very easy. Suppose I want to tag my photo with my profile URL, with my profile, Facebook profile. I have to open this picture, and this is me. And the procedure is I have to click here, tag photo, and when I am clicking here tag photo, then if I click here, this interface will open, and here is my ID, or we can write here, suppose MONWAR Vaishipon, SHIPON. If I write here Vaishipon, this is my ID, Vaishipon. I did it to confirm my ID. Okay, just I have to select this ID and done tagging. Now if someone pointing my photo, they will get my ID from here. Let me show you. Suppose if someone open this picture and point on my picture, they will get my ID from here, and if they click here, they will go to my profile. Now I think it's clear to you how you can tag yourself on a Facebook photo. Suppose I want to tag this picture with my profile ID. If I open this picture, and here is the tag photo, and if I click here, and this is my ID, Manwar sign, done tagging. Now say done. Now I think you clear with whole procedure. Finally, if you like my tutorials, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.